We're now ready to test our site in the browser to see what it looks like when it's finally completed and how it would look if it was actually hosted. So the first thing to do, and the easiest way to exit, is to actually go in here and completely exit Dreamweaver and then save all the documents on the way out. So I'm going to go ahead here and X out. And now Dreamweaver is going to ask me, save changes to index? Yes. Save changes to Snooker? Yes. Save changes to menu? Yes. And save changes to about? Yes. Okay, and it's asking me, would you like to update web font script tags in the following files? And I'm going to say yes. So we're going to go ahead and update. And now I'm going to click close. And now what I want to do is I'm going to launch my browser. I'm using Internet Explorer, so to open and launch my files in my browser, all I need to do is a Control-O. Now here what I want to do is I want to browse and find on my desktop my Devil's Fork folder, and in my Devil's Fork folder I want to point it to the index. Now when I click OK, it's going to launch my site as it would look if it was a live site. And in this particular case here, I can see that I've got, my menu, my home page, and I can actually test it. So I can take a look at it and I can test it. Now I'll go to our menu and I can click on About Us, and I can see that I've made dramatic changes to the site. I may wish to go back in and change things like this background image here. I have it so that it's not tiled. I have it so that it's showing up just one time. I may wish instead to have it tiled all the way through, or I may wish to go in and change the size of this particular background image instead of having it be only 410 pixels wide. These are the kinds of things that you can change as you go through your site. Go through with your team, figure out which CSS rules work best for your site, and then make some changes accordingly. Test the site in your browser, and then when you're done, you can begin with your PowerPoint presentation where you take screen captures of your site.